Mercy Corps is pleased to introduce the Livestock Early Warning System. The Livestock Early Warning System project was designed to replicate effective strategies that allow rural families to prepare for and respond to pastoral risk. The goal of LEWS is to provide timely information to both public and private sectors of impending weather events and environmental conditions. To enable preparations to be made by government entities and herders to avert losses of livestock, damage to pasture lands, and threats to local economies. After traveling millions of kilometers on backcountry tracks and spending thousands of hours analyzing samples and data, the LEWS system now generates 12 different kinds of maps that inform stakeholders from grassroots to national power. To alert herders and government entities of severe conditions. To forecast trends in forage production on a national, regional, IMOG, and SOM basis. To determine trends in forage nutrition as it relates to animal conditions. To provide a set of risk mitigating options available to both herders and governments before a hazard becomes a disaster. LEWS science involves a range of data collection and analytical tools, including FIGRO, which combines analysis of weather, animal density, and associated soils information to produce forage simulation models. Combined with NDVI to generate maps that show where vegetation is growing, and using 30-year aggregated data to compare historical conditions. And CMORPH, which provides rainfall satellite data and tracks a 0.1 degree deviation in temperature, which combines with FIGRO to generate maps of actual and forecast conditions. Nutritive capacity is analyzed using NIRS that predicts diet quality of both crude fiber and crude protein of free-range animals based on fecal samples. In the photo here, we see the crude protein distribution of forage late last year. The LEWS team used myriad methods to spread the awareness of and demand for the science and products the project generated, meeting herders in their gares, holding trainings with local government officials, maintaining online platforms and local media outreach, as well as attending national and international conferences and symposia. The LEWS system offers the possibility of a national architecture for other digital mapping to help policymakers and implementers collect, synthesize, and analyze other data. One Health Systems for people, animal livestock records for vets and breeders, resource mapping for optimal resource management. The applications are as vast as the Mongolian